Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's open first the settings and then tap here to the personalized settings. Here click the wallpaper section. Here you could use photos, the defaults from your device, or also you could use photos from your device gallery previously downloaded from the internet, or just pictures from the camera app. So let's use one from the defaults. Tap to apply, click to set as lock screen. We could see the message that the wallpaper set successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed it. If you wanna make it by another way, you could do that. Just hold for a while first home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers. On this one, tap to apply, set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.